Quality matters, but checking every translation manually is impossible. QA checks act as your automated proofreader, spotting errors as you work. For existing projects, just trigger a manual scan to evaluate all your translations at once. Once the scan is done, use the editor filters to show only keys with issues. This clears the noise and gives you a dedicated list of exactly what needs to be fixed. Need a quick solution? For complex issues like ICU plural forms, just click Suggest a fix. Let the AI propose the correct structure, then apply it instantly. You can even fix all issues for a specific key in one go to save time. QA checks also catch UI problems like text that's too long for your layout. Simply follow the length warning, manually shorten the text, and the issue resolves the moment you hit apply. The system also tracks technical integrity. Broken HTML tags are flagged instantly, and because checks are automated, the warning disappears the second you fix the code. Consistency is key. If your translations contain tags that aren't in the source, SimpleLocalize will highlight the error. If a flag is intentional, you can always choose to ignore it to clear your dashboard without changing the text. You have total control over what gets flagged. In your project settings, you can enable or disable specific rules, from punctuation to character limits, to match your project's needs. Monitor project health right from your main dashboard. See which projects have outstanding issues, jump straight to the filtered editor, and resolve them in seconds. Stop guessing and start validating. Use QA checks to catch mistakes early and maintain a high standard across every language. Try it today and ship your translations with total peace of mind.